So, for the sake of every puppy out there, that gets the hiccups. Watch. Oh, that's gotta hurt. You can see that diaphragm just like that poor guy. Ready to get rid of hiccups? Alright. Oh, does that feel better? Alright, you ready? You ready? Relax. Here we go. Okay, breathe out. Big breath. Bring it all the way back. Breathe out. Alright. There. He's better. See? Thanks, guys.